isolate samples on Mars. In the months spent on Mars so far, the car-sized rover, nicknamed Percy, has captured more than 70,000 images, multiple videos, and audio recordings with the aid of its 23 cameras. In today's video, we shall take a look at some of the images captured by the rover while traversing around Mars. This was the first image received by NASA after the rover's descent. The crater is said to be an ancient river delta and contains deposits rich in clays. The sounds obtained from the Jezero crater with the use of the microphones on board the Perseverance rover after filtering are that of the Martian wind. The crater is believed to be one of the most likely places to find evidence of ancient life on the red planet. On the third day after the descent, the rover captures the crater's whole circle in panorama, which is quite beautiful. While checking to ensure that the rover is working well, its cameras capture the image of the remnants of a delta located about 4 miles away from its place of descent. The delta is around 10 meters in height. The delta is said to have become isolated from the main formation as a result of erosion over time. Samples of rock and soil from this delta are to be encased in tubes and carried back to Earth on the rover during its return journey, and that will make it the first interplanetary transplant. After its first drive on March 4, 2021, which was a success, the Perseverance explored the terrain in a bid to find evidence of ancient life and release Ingenuity, a helicopter which it brought along from Earth. The rover took an image of the Van Zyl Overlook, a ridge on Mars, on which it decided to release Ingenuity. The helicopter had its first ride in March 2021, which was also a success.
Altimeter data confirms that Ingenuity has performed its first flight of a powered aircraft to another planet.
Van Zyl Overlook was named after a Namibian man, Jacob Van Zyl, who was the leader of the team that created Ingenuity, which has made history as the first aircraft to make a powered, controlled flight on another planet. The Perseverance captured this image in the course of its exploration. The image was captured by the rover's left Mastcam Z camera on Mars Day at the local mean solar time of 10:47. The image shows the grainy surface of Mars with a lot of boulders scattered on it, and some of them appeared to have been moved to the surface, then being a natural structure on the ground. Perseverance rover captured the image of the hill from the top of a low plateau in August 2021. Several rocks and soil pits are located near the western edge of Mars' home plate within the Columbia Hills, where the Husband Hill is. The image also captured objects looking like the remnants of vehicles found on the surface. The captured western edge of Mars' home plate has a lighter color when captured by the Perseverance, with a foreground view. On December 16, 2021, the Perseverance rover captured images of organic molecules on Mars. The molecules are not only in the interior of rocks, but also in the dust on the rocks, as the bedrock form of the crater has interacted with water over the years. The rover's camera keeps scanning the environment with luminescence, and the images captured are done by the Mastcam Z camera positioned on top of the rover. Captured on November 2, 2021, the image captured by NASA's Perseverance rover is of an elongated skull with a full-body structure in the sands of the red planet. On closer inspection of the image, one can easily see eyes, nose, and mouth on the face of the skeleton, similar to that of humans, and you can also see the arms and legs of the skeleton. However, it is unknown if this image is a possible Martian skeleton, that of a human, or just a rock formation with resemblance to the human structure. Scientists are still working on